My name is Emma. I'm almost 48 years old. I work as a librarian. I like the quiet and order of my job. My husband is Victor. He is 51 and used to be an architect. We've been married for 22 years. Our 2 children, a son and a daughter, are grown up now. They live far away. Our house is big and very quiet. I do most of the moving around. Victor is very, very lazy. I call him my melted man because he just stays on the furniture all day. His job is now at home, so his office is the big, soft armchair in the living room. That's where he spends most of his time, looking at the internet, watching TV, and often sleeping. He never helps with anything. He won't fix the broken water tap in the bathroom. He won't take out the full rubbish bin. When I ask him to walk with me in the park, he sighs loudly. Emma, I'm truly tired, he always says, his eyes still on the screen. My work is hard. Just let me rest. So I do everything. I stop the house from becoming a mess. I handle the money. I cook healthy food that he hardly notices. The love we had long ago is gone. Now, we are just 2 people living in the same house out of habit. I thought this was our life now, a quiet, boring path to old age. But everything changed one hot Tuesday afternoon. I'd gone out to buy medicine. I quickly returned home because I forgot my car keys inside. As I walked through the back door, I heard it, a quiet, happy laugh coming from the living room. I stood still by the kitchen counter. My shopping bag fell to the floor. Victor was on the phone, and his voice was different. It wasn't the bored way he spoke to me. It was warm, gentle, full of life. Yes, sweet pea, I mean it. You make Tuesday my best day. He laughed. I held my breath. Sweet pea. Victor never used sweet names with me. He only called me Emma or Hun when he wanted something. I slowly walked closer and put my ear to the wall. And tomorrow night will be even better, my little firefly, he whispered, sounding so excited, a feeling I hadn't seen in him for 20 years. I'm counting the minutes until I see you. Yes, me too. A firefly. He was too lazy to come to dinner, but he had a secret, happy life. The thought gave me a sharp pain in my stomach. He was meeting someone else, and I had no idea. I waited until the call ended. Then I opened the door. He was still smiling, his phone in his hand. The smile disappeared when he saw my face. Who is your firefly, Victor? I asked. My voice was low and very calm. He went pale. He opened and closed his mouth. Then he finally whispered, She's a woman I meet. My voice got louder. A woman you meet? He nodded quickly. Yes, we sometimes. I looked at the armchair, the empty crisp bags, the man I had shared a life with. I laughed, but it was a sad, angry laugh. You can't call the doctor. You are too tired to walk the dog. But you have time for a secret girlfriend. How was that possible? He would not look at me. She makes me feel strong. Emma? Strong. That word hit me hard. Tears filled my eyes. I gave you 22 years. I kept this family alive. I gave up my dreams. And now you need another woman to feel strong. He gave a small apology. I'm truly sorry, Emma. Stop, I said, wiping the tears away quickly. Call your firefly. Tell her you are not coming tomorrow. Tell her you are coming today. He looked confused. Today? But this is where I live. It was where you lived, I said sharply. Now it's my home. You left our marriage when you made that call. Get out. Go be strong with her. I need to think about my life. He picked up his phone, wallet, and car keys. He walked slowly to the door. He looked back at me one last time. Please, Emma, just think. I'm sorry. I looked only at the empty armchair. I did not say anything. When the front door closed, the house felt too quiet. I fell onto the couch, full of deep sadness. 22 years, finished in minutes. But after I cried, a strange, strong feeling began to grow inside me. Freedom. I looked at the armchair. It was just empty now. No more Victor. Just space. A new chance. I called my daughter Maya the next morning. My voice shook as I told her everything. Mom, you deserve much more than him, she said, her voice steady and sure. You are the best person I know. Leave him. We are here to help you. Her words gave me courage. Later that day, I saw her, the firefly. A small, blonde woman knocked on the front door. She looked nervous. Victor hadn't told her he was gone. I opened the door and stayed calm. He is not here, and he is not coming back. I think you should find someone else to make you feel strong. The woman said nothing. She turned and walked away quickly. That evening, Victor came back, trying to return to the house. But I was ready. You're lazy, you lie, and you are a coward. I wasted years waiting for you to get up from that chair. I'm finished. I felt strong and clear. I called a lawyer right away. Learning about legal papers and how to divide our money made my hands shake. But inside me, something was growing. Power. I was finally choosing my own future. The night before the divorce was final, I sat alone in the quiet living room. The famous armchair was still there. I looked at it and felt no sadness, only a little pity for the man who had wasted his life in it. This is my time now. I will live for Emma. I will travel to the quiet cities I always dreamed of. I will finally work with the special old books at the library. I will not be afraid to love again. Someone kind, someone who respects me. I still feel the hurt, but beneath it, there is something beautiful, a new hope. Life is not over. It's never too late to leave a dull life behind and begin a joyful one.